So guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I want to talk about YouTube advertising, right? So there is a new update YouTube brings to all creators in this 2023. So this update will start working on the November 2023. So this update is about YouTube advertising. So YouTube will now change their advertising the way they advertise ads in our videos. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you. So without time wasted, let's start the video. So guys, welcome back. I hope a lot of you guys have seen a message popping up in your YouTube studio telling you something about November, right? So what they tell you is about ads, right? So ads will now be placed differently, not the way it was before. So starting from November 2023. Don't worry, it's not something that will stop you from monetize, or it's not something that will reduce your ads revenue. A lot of people are thinking, oh, I think this will reduce my ads revenue, this will happen, this will happen, this will not happen. It's not like that. So don't worry, YouTube is adding more money to your channel. Ads will now be recommended by YouTube. I will drop the link to the update in the description of this video, so you can click it so that you can read more about it. A lot of you guys that have been posting 8-minute video, 1-hour video, even more than that, you can just simply place ads during your video, but such settings will no longer be available on YouTube, right? So YouTube are going to roll it out, so the ads will place automatically when necessary, right? So YouTube are taking their time to make sure that the platform is safe and good for every creator. So do not think that since YouTube is doing this way, you're not going to make enough money, right? So you will still make more money on YouTube. I will advise you to create a long form video. This will help you make more money. Yes, if you want to make more money, just create a long form video. Then during your video, YouTube are going to place the ads on your videos. So let me know if this video was helpful in the comment section. But if not, still let me know. I am here to make sure I solve every problem that you have. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.